In this video, we're going to show you how to store your Obsidian notes for cloud storage. Cloud storage is one of the most effective ways to protect your Obsidian vault while also making your notes accessible across multiple devices. Whether you're managing research, work projects, study materials, personal journals, or a large knowledge base, storing your notes in the cloud can provide both convenience and peace of mind. However, many users are unsure how to properly store their Obsidian vault in a cloud service. Without the right setup, it can be difficult to keep files synchronized, organized, and protected from accidental loss. The good news is that Obsidian stores notes as standard files and folders, making it compatible with many popular cloud storage providers. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple method for storing your Obsidian notes in the cloud and keeping them available across devices. So let's get started. The first step is to choose a cloud storage provider. Many users select services such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, iCloud Drive, or other cloud storage platforms. Next, install and configure the cloud storage application on your computer if required. Allow the service to create a synchronized folder on your device. Now, locate your existing Obsidian vault or create a new one. Move the vault folder into the cloud storage directory. Depending on the size of your vault, the upload process may take a few moments to complete. Once synchronization is finished, open Obsidian. If necessary, use the Open Folder as Vault option and select the vault from its new cloud storage location. Verify that your notes appear correctly. Next, install the same cloud storage service on any additional devices where you want access to your vault. Sign in with the same account and allow the files to synchronize. After synchronization completes, open the vault in Obsidian on those devices. As you continue creating and editing notes, the cloud storage service will automatically synchronize changes in the background. It's a good idea to allow synchronization to finish before switching between devices to help avoid file conflicts. Regularly checking your sync status can help ensure that your notes remain current and properly backed up. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, choose a cloud storage provider and set up synchronization. Second, move your Obsidian vault into the cloud storage folder. And third, access the synchronized vault from your other devices. Remember that cloud storage provides both convenience and additional protection for your notes. Having multiple copies of your vault can help reduce the risk of data loss while allowing you to work from different locations. This is especially useful for students, researchers, professionals, writers, and anyone who relies on their notes every day. Taking a few minutes to store your vault in the cloud today can make your information more secure and accessible in the future. And that's how to store your Obsidian notes for cloud storage. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.